Most real UIs render a list of something, products, comments, to-dos. In this video you'll use v-for to render arrays of plain values and arrays of objects and see exactly why the key attribute matters. A real reactive array of 3 strings, v-for will render one element per entry. Vue renders a real li tag for each fruit. Key uses the string itself since these values are unique. An array of real objects, each with a stable ID, the right thing to use as key. Using the real, stable u.id as key lets Vue correctly track each row even if the array is reordered. Adding index alongside fruit gives you a real running position, here shown as a 1-based number. Handwriting one element per item doesn't scale and can't reflect real data. v-for renders straight from a real array, correctly tracks each item by its key, and can expose the index too. v-for renders one element per array item and needs a unique key on each one. For arrays of objects, use a stable property like ID as the key, not the array index. Item, index, in items exposes the real running position alongside each item. Render a v-for list of your own objects and add the index to show each item's real position. Next, actually responding to clicks and other real events.